YouTube stopped recommending your videos, or your videos were being recommended before and one or two things happen, your videos are no longer recommended. Probably these settings you have touched on your YouTube studio is one of the problem, or you have not even touched this setting on your YouTube studio. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you just one setting that you need to turn on. And guys, honestly, when I saw this, I was wowed. I was like, yes, this is the main game. And ever since then, I've been trying to test run this to see how it actually applies with my channel, and a lot of changes has been happening. One of those changes is YouTube being able to recommend my old videos, and not only my videos in 1 year, or not only my current recent videos. So that is why if you're a new viewer on this channel, you will notice that YouTube is recommending my old videos to you. Okay, so these settings helps your YouTube videos to be recommended. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to be putting a screen record, and let's dive into this video so that you can get the honest and detailed tutorial. But first, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So with that being said, let's just dive right into my tutorials. So guys, with this, you cannot do it without your Chrome desktop version of your YouTube studio. So the first thing you need to do is to click on studio.youtube.com on your Chrome, just the way you are seeing it here. And once you click on it, you're going to go ahead to click on search, and it's going to take you to your channel. As you click on it, it is going to bring you to your YouTube studio, and right now you guys can see that this is my words. These are my content here. Okay, so the next thing you need to do now is to click on this customization. And where are you going to see your customization? You're going to be seeing this place. You're seeing your picture, your dashboard, and every other stuff here. You're going to go ahead to click on customization, and if you click, it's going to show you channel customization. Then now what are you going to do if you want YouTube to recommend your videos? You're going to go ahead to click on what? Home tabs. If you click on all tabs, I'm going to be explaining to you in details what this is all about. Okay, so you can see here they said on your home tabs, show your YouTube, show your channel home tabs to highlight and showcase content for your audience. And of which this is another means for your audience, for your videos to be recommended to your audience. Okay, now you can see the layout. Once you come to the layout, you're going to be seeing this video that I have. That is why if you go to my channel page, my channel home page, people can come and watch your videos and then go directly to your channel home page to go and see what is happening there. This is the first video you're going to be seeing. This is how much YouTube pays me for 1,000 video views, and these videos keep getting views every day. So this is the first video you're going to be seeing. So if you have not customized your layout by putting a first highlighted video, and it is very, very recommended for you to put a video that's actually going viral on your channel. So even if your video don't have that 200,000 viral, 1 million viral, put the recent viral that you have. So even if I'm a new YouTuber for now, I have a video that on my YouTube channel, for example, on my YouTube channel, my highest view is 50 views. I'm going to be using that video to put there. You can change it with time, and that's the good part of this. So even if I want to change it, I can go ahead and do what? I can go ahead and change this. I can go ahead and add sections and delete this one. So now, what are you going to do? You're going to be clicking on the add section button, and once you click on the add section button, it is going to take you to your videos. Mine is no longer there because I've already customized it. That's why all these videos is being closed. So they are showing me that the next thing I can add now is live now, or past live stream, or upcoming live events, or single playlist, or what? Multiple playlists, or members. So or subscription. So let's take for example, I want to add what? I want to add a single playlist. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on single playlist, and this is automatically going to take me to my YouTube playlist. You can see that all my YouTube playlist is being popped out. So once my YouTube playlist now is being popped out, the next thing I am going to do is to click on the playlist that I want to feature. So I want to feature my YouTube tutorial playlist. You can see that automatically it's being added here at this side. Okay, so now you can go ahead and add sections that you want to add and put your picture. Now the second side is future videos
for returning subscribers. What are the videos you want your returning subscribers to see? For me, I do YouTube tutorials and I want my returning subscribers to see these documents they need to use to do what? To monetize their YouTube channel, and of which this video is very important to everybody. That is why if you check this video keep getting views as well every day. So you're going to choose videos that best suit your category of what you are doing. Very, 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 very important. And you can add as many sections as you want, and you want people to showcase and then see. And then the most importantly that people ignore so much, and of which probably that is why you feel like YouTube is not recommending your videos, or your returning viewers are not watching your videos, or your returning people are not doing this. Guys, if I knew all of these things before, I think I would have gone far. Because all of these things are things I just started doing recently on my channel. And you guys can see the breakthrough, like the chances, like you can see the difference. Now you're going to go to this your For You. And you see they said for the For You, YouTube recommend fresh content based on viewers' interests. And they said what? This is only visible to your live stream when your videos have enough what? Content. Now click on more settings. Let me shock you. If you click on more settings, this is where the problem, most of us have problem. They say what to include in the For You section. And you guys know that the For You page is what YouTube can actually recommend on your For You site, on your trending videos and sections. Now you can see they said the For You section will only be visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Now, the first thing for you is to upload very well. That's why I preach about consistency. So if you don't have enough content, the For You section will not be visible to your viewers. That is why you can go off on YouTube and come back and you see my next video popped up. Even if you watch or you don't watch, you go off again and come back, you see my next video popped up. Even if you don't see my next video popped up, once you click on anybody's video that you are watching and you scroll down, you are going to be seeing my videos. This is the magic. Now, the next thing you're going to be doing, they say content type, videos, shorts, and what live stream. Some person's own is turned off like this. I don't know about you, but I'm talking about from my own end. And this was how mine was turned off. And when I came back, I turned it on like this. I was like, God, if I knew that all of these things were turned on. So check your own. If it's turned off, please make sure you turn it on. Very important. Now look at this frequency, where they wrote this frequency. Look at what is written there. It said what? All content recommended. YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. Now, recent content only. Content you have posted in the last 12 months. So if your own is on this recent content, it will not enable YouTube to recommend your old videos. It will only enable YouTube to recommend just the videos that you have within 1 year. And just imagine that within 1 year, you did not even upload up to 3 videos, or you did not even upload up to 4 videos, just for some circumstances of life. That means your content will not be recommended to your viewers. So that is why it is good for you to remove it from this recent content only to all content. A lot of people go and do this mistake by putting recent content by themselves. And before you know, your old videos will not be recommended. This is very important. So if you have not done all of this, go ahead and do all of this so that YouTube can start recommending your videos. You click on done and then you make sure you do what? You publish. Very important. Anything you're doing, you're not publishing, it is not good. So once you're done publishing, make sure that all of these settings that you're seeing on my settings, you can see my short videos, you can see my videos, you can see my created playlist, you can see my popular videos, you can see my single playlist. All this thing is gotten from what? From this place called what? Add sections. Go and add sections. Go and add videos that YouTube will recommend. Go and add videos that when your viewers come, they are going to be seen. Remember, the more your audience are engaging on your videos, the more YouTube will push it out for you. So I hope this is clear and this is understood. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have anything you want me to explain and do for you, let me know in the comment section. And let's get back into this video.
Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have any video you want me to actually film for you, let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing that for you. If you have turned on this button before, let me know. And if this is the first time you're coming across this setting, also let me know in the comment section, because your comments is really what I really love to see, so that I can actually know how to like attend to your questions one after the other. Anyways, with no further ado, I like always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed, like I've earlier said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.